13 out of 14 days, the Nasdaq closes higher than it opens on the day session. So actually 14 out of 15 days. We had 13 days in a row. A couple of days yesterday was down. S&P the same way. So 14 out of 15 days in a row. The stock index futures on the day session are closing higher than where they open. We're going over the trading system signals after we do the market analysis. We're going to go over 118 algos each day and just do a little bit of market analysis. Kind of a quiet day. Advanced decline line opened higher, came down, and mean reverted back towards the middle of the range. Tick opened higher and just kind of went around zero most of the day. Pretty quiet day. VIX dropped minus 2.47%. And we've seen the VIX. It's interesting to note this cycle. It was in a long-term cycle right here, up and down, kind of up and down pattern. And right here, when it got to the bottom of this range, it just kind of dropped. Just kind of flatline feeling to it. And so right around the Easter holiday, instead of doing this or working its way down, it just flatlined. So really low VIX, quiet markets, not as many trade signals. Let's take a look at the trades on the day. By the way, I've missed about 5 days in a row. I've been traveling, so I'm not going to go back. That would be complicated to go back, but the results will be in the portfolio calculator. It's been pretty smooth trading, pretty straight up trading. Yesterday was the first down day in a while, and today was slightly up day, but not many signals. So let's take a look at the signals that we did have. Adaptive moving average plus 987.50, night trader plus 675. Only 2 signals in this workspace here. All strategy access ES2, VSD, ES plus 675, tick fader minus 625, and then tick wave plus 887.50. It's been a strategy that has been on fire. One of the new strategies really has taken off, this tick wave, and so I wanted to take a look at. All strategy access NQ. We have gap continuation minus 325, stock index swing NQ plus 475, and then the NQ2 setup, 60-minute breakout B, took some trades plus 2400, VSD NQ plus 1160, VSD long short NQ plus 1490, minus 60 on PR breakout, tick wave plus 1305, EVP1 NQ minus 195, gap continuation, big stop loss, minus 725. And then Viper 2008 and 2021, both up on the day, about 340 on the day. So a little bit more trades in this NQ2 strategy. It's more aggressive. Crude oil, 4 trades that were winners on the long side. SR counter trend 3 plus 475 on A and B version. Cobra crude, conservative and aggressive plus 135 each, and then gap fill fade crude minus 165, natural gas no trades, RBOB no trades, gold no trades on gold, silver no trades, euro plus 87.50, soybeans exited we had 2 long trades in a row, exited here, got back in, exited at the open again, plus 350 today. And those are the main strategies. We have exhaust and reverse getting long right here, plus 250 on the day, just not a lot of follow through. It was up 43.50. Most of that was overnight. The day session was narrow. Let's go back and look at the day session to see exactly how narrow it was. When you take a look here at, let's find a dot D, easier to see on a dot D setup. So Cobra 3 ES dot D, ESM21 dot D, the high minus the low on the day was 41.6650 minus 41.4125, so 24.25 points. Get that gap up. Market sold off yesterday. They reversed it, took out the highs, determined to keep going higher. All the liquidity on the sidelines you continue to hear about. And so those are the trades. Actually, let's look at NQ. What are the range on the NQ is the day session high low, not the 24-hour session. That's why I want to look at the dot D. 14.034.25 to 13.923, 111 points. It's pretty narrow. This is a pretty narrow range for the NQ. We're used to seeing 100-point moves within a few minutes, and now it's the full day's range, and so you get less trade signals, less activity. These are some of the old strategies to get the tick pullbacks. Here's some of the optional strategies, and those are the trades on the day. We track 118 strategies every day, put them in our portfolio calculator. Should be able to update that pretty soon. Some of these are at equity peaks and just slowly grinding out equity peaks slowly in this low volatility environment. And there's not as much volatility in the equity curves lately, with less volatility. And it is Thursday, April the 15th, 2001. That's tax day for some, and it used to be the tax day for all, but that's been delayed. So those are the trades on the day, April the 15th, 2021.